Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To find the length of a dictionary in Python, you can use the len function. The len function returns the number of items in an object, so when used with a dictionary, it will return the number of key-value pairs in the dictionary. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to find the length of a dictionary in Python. 1. Define a dictionary. First, create a dictionary with key-value pairs. 2. Use the len function. Simply pass the dictionary to the len function to get the length of the dictionary. Here's an example code snippet to demonstrate how to find the length of a dictionary in Python. In this example, we define a dictionary my_dict with 3 key-value pairs. We then use the len function to find the length of the dictionary and store it in the variable dict_length. Finally, we print the length of the dictionary, which in this case would be 3. This is how you can find the length of a dictionary in Python using the len function.